gonna make some champignons. I love these champignons. I love champignons, you know. And now in fall, champignons are very good. They are, and then they are good, and they are not so expensive, you know. They are really inexpensive. So those are my champignons. I washed them already. I'm just gonna remove this. I don't know how they call it, so just remove everything. So because we're not gonna eat this, we just need the flesh. Can you see? So that it is. Then we just gonna cut our champignons. That is the way I'm cutting my own, just like this. You can see. So I finished cutting everything. You can see how the champignons are very nice and juicy. So now the next step, I have this my frapan here. This frapan is from Thea. It's new. You can see here the right Thea, and I still have the paper here. See, Thea, very good. So this one is the biggest one. I think it's 32 inch. Very good. And they write here 100% easy to clean, made in France here. So then now I just have to add my olive oil, just a bit. So now we're just gonna add our champignon. Add a bit salt. Add white pepper. Then paprika, you know, the champignon has water. You don't have to add just look at this. So now I'm gonna add some butter in the fry pan. Our champignon, and I add this cherry tomato, and that is good for lunch. And if you have something like chicken, you can just add it on top, or steak, and eat. Very delicious, very easy to do and fast. so take time. So that is it. Yeah, that is what I wanted to show for today's video. Please like the video, comment and share. So let me know in the comment section if you gonna try it. See you in my next one. Bye and enjoy your meal.